Do you know cell drink? Yes, and that process is called pinocytosis. Pinocytosis comes from a Greek word. Pino means to drink, cytosis means cell process. So pinocytosis literally means cell drinking. But cell don't drink water. So they take in tiny droplets of fluid from outside the cell along with nutrients, proteins, and sometimes even drugs. Now let us understand the process step by step. The first process is invagination. So in this invagination, first look at the cell membrane. It starts to bend inward and forms a small cup-shaped depression. Think of it like pressing your thumb into a soft balloon. The membrane is creating a small pocket to collect the fluid outside the cell. Now next is the pocket becomes deeper and surround the extracellular fluid. Remember, the cell is not selecting specific molecules here. It is simply taking in whatever is dissolved in that fluid, water, nutrients, and small molecules. So at this stage, the cell is basically is like, let me swallow this small droplets. Now third one is vesicle formation, means the edges of the membrane come together and pinch off. As a result, a small sac is formed inside the cell called a pinocytic vesicle, pinosome. You can think of it like a tiny delivery package carrying all the materials that were present in the fluid. Now, fourth one is transport inside cell. After this vesicle is formed, it moves through the cytoplasm. It's just like a delivery truck traveling through a city to deliver its package to the correct destination. So this is pinocytic vesicle. Then after this, the vesicle carry the nutrients and dissolved substance to different part of the cell. The last one is fusion and release. Finally, the vesicle fuses with other organelles like lysozymes or other organelles called this lysosome. The lysosomes contain these digestive enzymes. So what happens is that break down the content of the vesicle. The useful molecules are released, used by the cell, while the waste materials are removed. So this is how pinocytosis occurs. Invagination, engulfment, vesicle formation, transport inside cell, fusion and release. So pinocytosis is a process by which cell take up extracellular fluid and dissolve substance by forming these small vesicles. If you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to subscribe and join our 30 days 30 term series where every day we learn one important pharmacology concept in the simplest possible ways.